Some of the confusing terminology we use in plastic surgery is facelift versus neck lift versus face and neck lift. And the best way to explain it is that every facelift, every time you are lifting facial tissue, you're also by necessity lifting neck tissue as well. So any facelift really incorporates some element of neck lifting. However, there is a thing called a neck lift, where you're actually not doing anything to the face. And this is really reserved for people that are younger, usually 30s or even 20s, who have neck contour that they don't like, that's related to genetics, that involves either laxity of the tissue below the jawline and or fullness related to the structural components of the neck being further forward than they want. So everyone wants a jawline that's really defined. They want a neck that's really defined, almost like a right angle. And some people don't have that, and we can achieve that with just a direct neck lift. A neck lift involves incision in at least one area, which is in the chin, underneath the chin in this natural crease here, used to contour the structures below. And occasionally we use incisions behind the ears to tighten the tissue from behind. But it's different than a facelift in that we are changing the contour of the neck and jawline and not the full face and neck tissue. And it's really reserved for people who have near exclusive changes of aging or more likely genetic changes that are unfavorable of the neck. One of the important things with the neck lift is we do limit strenuous activity for about 2 to 3 weeks, and heavy lifting of dead weights or extreme changes in blood pressure and heart rate for up to 6 weeks, given the work that we do below and not wanting to compromise this. A neck lift involves surgery under anesthesia and involves a recovery time where you're pretty much socially presentable, able to go out with maybe some strategic cover-up or some light contour makeup at about 2 weeks. For the first week, there will be some stitches in, there will be potentially some drains in that come out at about 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and the stitches come out at about 5 to 10 days. And then there'll be some bruising and swelling that tends to be pretty significant up to the 10 to 14 day mark.